If you're putting in the time to do Facebook videos, don't you want to make sure that it works for you as much as possible? Hey, this is Leah Ray from ToddandLeahRay.com, and today I'll be giving you 7 tips to maximize the effectiveness of your work and have you creating Facebook videos with great organic reach. So stick around. Now, Facebook video is different than, say, doing videos on YouTube. YouTube is a search engine. People are specifically looking for your information on YouTube when they find it, and that's definitely not the case on Facebook. On Facebook, people are simply scrolling through their feeds and may or may not be interested in what you're talking about. Facebook is more distraction marketing. You need to distract them and get them interested in what you're doing, so keep that in mind throughout your entire content creation process. Now, let's start with number 7. Grab the attention of your viewers within the first 3 to 5 seconds. Don't start off with some big introduction or logos or branding stuff at all, but cut to the chase. You want to hook your viewers in your very first sentence. Now, this can easily be done with a question that you're actually going to be providing the solutions or the answers for in your video. Number 6, be different and catch their eye. Remember that folks are just thumbing through their newsfeed and they have a lot of videos that come and go that they never click on. So whenever you can, be different and stand out. This can be as easy as having a moving shot where you're walking through somewhere, being a little goofy or flamboyant if that fits your personality, or just putting in something eye-catching in the video in post-production, with your video editing software. Number 5. Use live video whenever possible. Facebook still favors live video, so don't be afraid to use it. Live video has top priority in their algorithm, and that is followed up next by native videos uploaded directly into Facebook. This is not links to your YouTube videos or any other videos that are housed outside of Facebook, but they're actually in Facebook itself. Number 4, ask your audience specific questions and tell them to comment with their answers. You'll honestly be surprised how much more engagement you will get by simply telling them to comment with an answer to your question. Now, the more comments that you get on your video, the more people that Facebook is going to show that video to. So comments are good. Number 3, reply to everyone's comments on your video. And whenever possible, do more than just saying thanks for the comment or just thanks. Ask them a question and start a conversation. Open a dialogue. Now remember, the more comments that you get, the more people are going to see your video. So you want a little back and forth conversation is a huge win. Number 2, always have a CTA, a call to action on your videos. This doesn't mean that you always need to be sending them off to a link or a different website, but it can be as simple as telling them to like your page or turn on notifications if you're doing a live video. Now, we've covered this in a previous video within our Facebook Engagement for Business video series, but if you want to drop a link, it's actually preferred to have them comment for it instead. Or if you don't have time to deal with messaging back and forth or don't have the automation set up, then simply you can put it in as a comment to the video is preferred than actually in the description of the video. Now, before we go into number 1 and give you a step-by-step tutorial on exactly how to do it, I want to give you free access to our Facebook Marketing Mastery Workshop, where you can not only practice the great marketing techniques that we're teaching you in the series, but also get specific help for your business and learn our super simple formula for making great posts that have people raising their hands and ready to purchase. So simply click the link in the top of the description to get access to that. Now, if you've missed some or even all of our Facebook Engagement for Business series, I'll make sure to include the link somewhere down in the description and that they pop up for you inside the video screen at the end of this video, so you can simply click on them, because we've covered some really helpful specific information that's going to help you in your business, so you don't want to miss any of that. Now, finally, number 1, add captions to your videos. And we don't simply need to add the caption file within Facebook, but instead to put them directly inside the video. Did you know that 85% of Facebook users are on without sound? That's why captions are so important, guys. How are they going to get any value from your video or even pay attention to it in their news feed unless they're seeing your words and what you're saying? Now, let me show you exactly how we do this. So I'm going to walk you through how we put our captions embedded inside the video we upload into Facebook. There's a lot of ways you can do this, but this makes a lot of sense with the flow of how we distribute our content. So I'm going to share this with you guys. I think it'll be helpful for you in saving time and being pretty streamlined and efficient with what you're doing. So I just finished a video. I uploaded it to YouTube to begin with. You don't have to do this first, but this is what I like to do. I've published this video on YouTube. This is our Facebook engagement series.
and it's 3 promo posts teaching people how to do promotional posts. So this video I started with simply uploading it to YouTube. I did my normal YouTube process with it, all of it, and I published it. So we use rev.com to create our captions. Once you have your account, you just place new order and select captions. And here, if you didn't have it up on YouTube first, or if it was on Vimeo or something else, you could do that. You could choose Vimeo or upload it from your computer or whatever. But this is really slick because you can just click YouTube, select the video directly on YouTube, and they add the caption file without you having to actually go in and edit the video. So it totally takes care of it for you. So you place the order and then you are done with it from YouTube's perspective, which is great. And it's nice. It gives your YouTube videos more SEO juice, if you will, when you have closed captioning on YouTube as well. So you definitely, if you're going to pay for it, use it in both places. These, you can see I have CC. So I have closed captioning already on all of these. This one video I don't, so I'll show you what this looks like. I'm going to check the box for that video, and I'm going to add selected to cart. And here's the checkout. It will let you check out with PayPal, which is handy dandy. And I just leave the default file. It works fine. And go through the checkout process. And they're actually really fast. I think the longest it's ever taken me to get something back was a day. And that was a pretty long video. Normally it comes back within a few hours. Once your caption file is ready for you, you're going to get this handy dandy email. It says your YouTube caption file is ready, references your order number. And you simply scroll down and you click this button to download. And it'll start downloading right to your computer. Now I just open up Camtasia, and I'm going to start with the video that I created for YouTube. So this video is already rendered and ready to go. This is what's currently live on YouTube. I'm going to plop it in, drag it over into this media bin, and it's going to go there. I'm going to grab this, put this as my track 1. So now this is the fully rendered video, all set to go. I am going to head down to the More button here and over to Captions. And here is where you can add the caption file. If you try to add it in the media bin, it doesn't work that way. You have to add it here in the caption file. So here is the file I just got from rev.com. I'm going to grab this, drag this over into the caption section. It takes a minute to load. And then here we go. Now you can see I can play this, and it will have the captions.
Want to know exactly
I can play this, and it will have the captions in the video, which is really cool. I know that with a caption file, whenever I have them done, they do add something at the end I always delete. It's just whenever we do our outro on our videos, it says upbeat rock music, and so I just want to delete that because I don't need that in the Facebook video. And there you go. Super simple. Now you can go ahead and render the video. From there you can click the share button, go to local file, and actually create the video file that has the captions embedded in it. It's much better than adding the caption file within Facebook as a caption, because people have to turn that on. Whereas this will always have the captions on, so when people are just scrolling through their news feed, they're going to see it and it's going to pop a lot more, and more people will get more out of your content.
Now, hopefully you've enjoyed these 7 tips and you're going to actually use them when creating your Facebook videos to get great organic reach. But tell me, which tip did you find the most helpful? Let me know in the comments. Also, if you're looking for a versatile and user-friendly video editing software, we highly recommend Camtasia, which you saw briefly in today's tutorial. Now, we've used other software in the past, but this is amazing. We recommend it hands down above all those other things that we've used. The average Joe can create great professional looking videos with it, just lickety-split, super fast. We do have our affiliate link to check out their awesome software. If you're looking for video software, guys, click the link in the description to check that out. We love it. Again, this is Leah Ray from ToddandLeahRay.com. Take care, and we'll see you soon.